Hello again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to replace the keyboard of this Intel Core i5 HP Folio 9470M, and this laptop has faulty keyboard. It has that some keys that are not working, and first of all we're going to make sure that the keyboard is being held from the back. We the battery, move the battery, and open some keys. Let's open from the back. Then this another one. Sorry. And our back lid is open. So we are going to check where the keyboard is held. You can see here. You can see we have this. We have this keyboard mark for this screw, and we have this keyboard mark. Check again. We have here. Check again, and here. So we are going to release this pen so that we can remove our keyboard. Open that one too. Now let's go to the front side. And guys, our keyboard is out. Slowly we're going to check our keyboard, and we are going to replace our keyboard with another keyboard, HC03 label. So move this by lifting this up. Yeah, this is our old keyboard. White tech, and we are going to replace with our new keyboard. This is our new keyboard. We'll remove this one. Yes. Ah. Going to yeah, and here this one should go right here. Popo, Acha nikuje. Check it. This one too. So here you make sure it's fitted, properly fitted. Now it's properly fitted. And this follows the screw. These are the screw holes from behind. And now properly. So properly, and take it, get inside. Like that. Make sure it is fitted inside properly. Okay, so one issue here. We put it back again and fix that issue right there. There. Yeah. Guys, you have to be very keen when you are fitting your keyboard. Yeah, make sure all the hooks are clipped. Yeah, it's okay. Then let's go to the back side, and here we will screw the keyboards for it to be firmly and to be held. Always screw keyboard is another one. This keyboard size. Don't forget to screw them tightly. You have to check for another screwdriver. This one. And tightly. Now let's check. This one. and our battery. Make sure proper battery is properly fitted, and it's okay now. It's good. And on our laptop, see our laptop is now okay. Keyboard's okay. This was our old keyboard that had some missing keys. Let's see. Let's wait. Yes, and our keyboard now functions normally. See, guys, keyboard now function normally. And if you like the video, yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.